We have volunteers from the community that we've brought in that have different types of skills, and then we've invited community members to come in that have things that are broken. And we're matching people with broken items to specific fixers. We're trying to change hearts and minds and keep it out of the landfill.
And bring in a lamp, which is not working. Refuse to throw it away just because it doesn't work.
Do you have a lamp?
I have a lamp.
Okay.
Probably the switch.
Come on over.
What I love most is the sense of community and also the empowerment of people coming together, meeting other people, learning that yes, this is something that's possible, we can fix things, and leaving feeling a sense of triumph, even if the thing wasn't fixed. I met somebody new today, I learned something new today. It's a real community feel.
They said, which one should we buy? And the computer.
We got it working. Now I know how to take it apart myself.
That was the first fix.
Very nice.
Buckle. A new buckle.
Yeah.
A new buckle, people. This is so exciting. Congratulations. She's got it fixed.
Something that I didn't need to order a new one of. I can just reuse it. Thank you, Transition Salt Spring.